Hey everyone, this is Greg from AI Light Show. In this video, I'm going to show you an extremely useful test feature that is available on the Force 1.0. Now, this test feature allows you to confirm that all of your fixtures are oriented the way you and the box expect them to be, as well as the alignment and orientation of all the pixels on your lighting rig. This is very important because the internal AI effects engine of the Force 1.0 assumes an orientation of all of the fixtures. Now, this is based on the fixture ID assignments you make when generating the DMX Universe profile. All right, so to access the test feature, when you're in run mode, you want to access shift operator number 10 under the max button. So you want to hold this down, get to page 2 and hit number 10. Now you'll notice here we are now activating test mode. Now the way to utilize this is you want to use your manual trigger selects, and you can start scanning through your lighting rig fixture by fixture one at a time. All right, so if I hit the trigger button, I illuminate fixture ID number 1. It doesn't have to be fixture ID number 1. The box will sequentially work through each fixture one at a time, starting from the lowest fixture ID number. Hit it again, fixture number 2 gets lit up. 3, 4, so on and so forth throughout your entire rig. Now you can see here that I have everything set up appropriately. I'm scanning from left to right throughout my entire lighting rig, one fixture at a time. This confirms that I have the orientation of all my fixtures set up appropriately. Now, you can do the same thing, but address every pixel one at a time. So to do that, all you have to do is toggle blackout or whiteout on and off. And now the box in test mode is going to start accessing each pixel one at a time. So this fixture itself doesn't have multiple fixtures. This other one does. And you can see I'm now accessing each pixel one at a time. And you want to confirm that every pixel is oriented the way it should be within your lighting rig. And obviously I have everything set up appropriately right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to purposely create an issue in my lighting rig based on the disorientation of some of the pixels, and I'm going to show you how to correct it. All right, so you can see right here, I'll go through one more time. Every pixel within my lighting rig is oriented the way it should be, based on the fixture ID number assignments that I provided when generating the DMX Universe profile. All right, so we'll get through this. And now what I'll do is I'll purposely create an error and I'll show you how to resolve it. Okay, so now that I purposely created an issue with my lighting rig, I will show you how that looks, how to identify that, and how to fix it. All right, so we are now back into test mode, and I will scan through my fixtures one at a time. And you'll notice that still, from a fixture to fixture standpoint, everything is still looking correct. All right, but now if I access the pixel version of test mode and start scrolling through those one at a time, you'll see where the issue pops up. Now, so far, so good. However, on the next fixture, you'll see it has been reversed. All right, so this is very easy to come by, especially if you just mount those bar type lights in the wrong orientation. You'll have pixels which are not in the correct order from what you expect. So how to fix this? You have really two options. You can either go up on a ladder, remove the fixture itself and flip it. You can go back into your DMX Universe profile, actually the fixture profile, and renumber the pixels in reverse order. Or you can do this. You get out of run mode, you go into your fixture view, you identify the fixture which is problematic. In this case, it's this one right here, address number 1, fixture ID number 3, and you hit the invert button. You get out of here, you go back into run, and what you'll notice is that the Force 1.0 took that fixture profile and inverted all of the pixels associated with it. And I'll show you what this resulted in. All right, so we'll go back into test mode again. And we'll start scanning through our fixtures. We are in fixture mode, so I will toggle blackout and start going through each pixel one at a time. And you will notice that the orientation of the pixels on that fixture had been corrected. And the rest of my lighting rig remains unchanged with all of the correct pixel orientation and fixture orientation. So this fixture rig is set up completely perfectly, and we are ready to go. And to get out of test mode, it's as simple as just holding down the max button and just tapping the activated test mode shift operator, and you are back to normal operation.